My name is Bob Sasadny, and I'm from Oakland City, and I've created this sculpture for the Evansville Regional Airport Gateway Project through Keep Evansville Beautiful. And I've called this sculpture Aerial Beauty because of the relationship of flight to the airport. And this sculpture here, this model that I've created, represents 12 feet to the top of the body, 25 feet to the tip of the wings, and it's made out of fiberglass. And I'd like to tell you a lot more details about this, but I feel that it'd be better if I go into the studio with you and we can talk about it there. I started this video program on top of the sculpture site hill because I wanted to stress the importance of having a simple, massive, bold shape located there. I had that in mind when I began designing this one-of-a-kind sculpture, Aerial Beauty, especially for this location. It is 12 feet tall to the top of the body and about 25 feet tall to the tips of the wings. A driver going 55 miles per hour, 150 feet away, and looking 30 feet up a hillside cannot safely look for more than 2 seconds to consider details of small forms. My idea was to connect the flight of birds to the flight of mankind, an age-old dream and now a reality. The concepts of the bend in the river created between the wings, the propellers of planes or ships built here 70 years ago, an Indian weapon or tool as represented by the body, the airlines flying out of here are all slightly hidden, but obvious when pointed out. The Hartke Pool has a tall fiberglass water slide, and at Splashing Safari there are many more examples of large fiberglass products. The many boats and swimming pools are evidence of the waterproof and strength qualities of fiberglass, which has been a versatile product of proven worth for over 60 years. Aerial Beauty will be built by laminating polyester resin and fiberglass about a 1/4 inch thick over a form of polystyrene foam sculpted by a 5-axis milling machine. The Weber Group in Sellersburg, Indiana, has successfully made hundreds of shapes using this process throughout the world. Working with a local Indiana company is a big advantage in coordination and transportation efforts. They have the ability to do everything from design engineering to installation, which eliminates many potential problems. The design took into consideration the remote location of this site and the fact that it is unguarded and has no fence. It is impossible for a child to climb on and has no scrap value for thieves. If vandalized by impact or spray paint, it can easily be repaired or cleaned. An annual washing with a power washer will remove the surface dirt. Repainting, if necessary in 20 years, can be done on site. There are also no small areas where birds can nest or roost. This is an important consideration for the safety of airline flight. The sculpture will be trucked to the site in 3 sections and be bolted to large steel bolts embedded in a massive 4-foot thick reinforced concrete base. The wings will be attached and secured and the seams will be filled and painted. The massive steel reinforcing frame embedded inside the foam will be designed to withstand extreme wind forces. For reasons of cost, function, and appearance, the surface will have a slight texture, and when painted with a high-quality automotive silver paint, will be highly reflective in the daylight and shimmer at night. This color represents the color of airplanes and also Alcoa and other major manufacturers in this area. The below-ground floodlights will illuminate it softly, and if desired, constantly changing colors of LED lights could enhance the nighttime viewing experience. This was all planned to achieve a major wow factor, so visitors will have fond memories of Evansville and residents will not tire of seeing this impressively large yet gracefully beautiful abstract sculpture for years to come. The lasting impression I would want to leave with you and other viewers is that Aerial Beauty represents a community of talented and caring people that have the ability and will to soar to limitless heights. I hope that this is also your vision. It would be a pleasure to see Aerial Beauty in place this fall. Thank you.